In this video, I will cover the tools which can be used to draw some basic shapes in Illustrator, and these are grouped here under the line segment tool. The first is the line segment tool. The line segment tool allows you to draw a simple straight line. So just click anywhere on the artboard and move the cursor, and when you release the mouse button, the line will be drawn. You can change the size of this line if you click on this white square and drag. You can also rotate the line if you like. Just take your cursor a little bit away from this white square, and when you see a rotation handle, just move with your mouse to rotate the line. You can press shift while drawing the line. This will make a straight 180-degree line. And if you want to make a diagonal line, then while holding the shift key, just move the cursor a bit up and you will get a perfect 45-degree angle line. When you draw a line, if you press Alt key in Windows or Option key in Mac, then the line will be drawn from the center and stretches outward. So if you press both the Alt key and the Shift key, the line will be drawn from the center and it will be a straight line. These modifier keys, i.e. the Shift key and the Alt key, works with pretty much all the shapes and perform the same function. That is drawing something straight or drawing something from the center. You can also draw a line by just clicking anywhere on the artboard. Make sure you select the line segment tool first and then click anywhere on the artboard. A dialog box will pop up, and here you can specify the length, angle of the line to be drawn and the stroke color. You can increase the stroke color of the line from the property panel or here in the control section at the top. If you don't see this control bar, then go to Windows and click on Control. In this control bar, you can change the fill, stroke, stroke weight, shape, style, opacity, etc. about the object that is currently selected. So next we are going to learn about the arc tool.